Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Small Industry Development Bank of India. Name of post is Assistant Manager Grade A. Here the qualification asked is first class graduation in commerce, economics, math, statistics, business admin or engineering, or you should be a CS, CMA, CFA or a chartered accountant or MBA or PGDM, then you are eligible. Age limit is that you should be between 21 years to 30 years. There are 50 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience in the relevant field and no experience is required for CA, MBA or PGDM candidates. A per month salary is rupees 1 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 2nd December 2024. So hurry up, only 2 days are left for this vacancy. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we keep on adding new courses for your preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU Exam Prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on the reasoning for your PSU examination. So check out that course also. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Certification Engineers International Limited. The name of post is Finance and Accounts Senior Officer. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks and a CA or a CMA. Age limit is 40 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai and in Delhi. Friends, this is a contractual job. You need to have 6 years of experience. Here per month salary is rupees 51,000. And if you are interested, you can send an email to them at the mentioned email address by 15th December 2024. The next vacancy is again from Certification Engineers International Limited. The name of post is Finance and Accounts in Associate Grade 1, Grade 2 and Grade 3. Qualification asked for all 3 posts is Commerce graduate with minimum 50% marks. The age limit for Grade 1 is 35 years, for Grade 2 is 40 years and for Grade 3 it's 45 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai and in Delhi. Again, it's a contractual job. You need to have 4 years of experience for Grade 1, 5 years for Grade 2 and 6 years for Grade 3. And per month salary is also vary as per the grade. So for Grade 1 it's 36,700, for Grade 2 it's 41,820 and for Grade 3 it's 45,240. If you are interested, send an email to them at the mentioned email address by 15th December 2024. The next vacancy is from Aircon International Limited. Name of post is Finance Assistant. Qualification asked is BCom or MCom. Minimum 55% marks or a CA Inter or CMA Inter. Upper age limit is 35 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is in Delhi, Assam and Madhya Pradesh. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 4 years of experience. Per month salary is 50,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 18th December 2024. The next vacancy is from Indian Air Force. Here the name of post is Flying Officer, Ground Duty Non-Technical Stream in Accounts Department. Qualification asked is either a BCom graduate, BBA Finance, BMS Finance, BBS Finance or a qualified CA, CMA, CS, CFA or BSc Finance with minimum 60% marks. Friends, here this 60% marks criteria is also required if you are a CA, CMA or CS or CFA. It's a general condition that you need to be 60% marks in the respective qualification. Age limit is 26 years. There are 13 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have no prior experience. Package is 14 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is that you should apply between 2nd December to 31st December 2024. The next vacancy is again from Indian Air Force. The name of post is Flying Officer, Ground Duty Non-Technical, Admin and Logistics. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 26 years. There are 69 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package will be 14 lakhs approx. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. Next vacancy is also from Indian Air Force. Here the name of post is Flying Officer, Ground Duty Non-Technical Stream, Education Department. The qualification asked is post graduation with minimum 50% marks along with graduation with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 26 years. There are 9 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Rest all detail are same as that of last 2 vacancies. The next vacancy is from Board of Practical Trainings Eastern Region. Name of post is Upper Divisional Clerk. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 27 years. There is 1 vacancy for ST category candidate. Place of posting is Kolkata. Friends, is a permanent job. You need to have 5 years of experience. Package per annum is 5.5 lakhs approx. Mode of application is online and last date is 29th December 2024. And hard copy should reach their office by 13th January 2025. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.